Guys, so welcome back to my channel, and today's channel I'm going to share my favorite pav bhaji recipe. It's so simple guys, really. It won't take like much time of yours. It will hardly take like 15-20 minutes. So let's get started. So first I'm going to start by throwing all my vegetables, whatever I could find, जो भी मेरे पास था, just put it in this pressure cooker. आप कोई भी shape काट सकते हो, and then add some water and salt as per your taste. So now you can see all the vegetables have been cooked very nicely. Abhi I'm going to mash them with this masher. Just make sure itna zyada mash nahi karna hai. Just mash them roughly, and then we can mash them like later on. So basically go and rummage through your fridge. Whatever vegetables you can find, just throw them in your pressure cooker. Next, heat some olive oil in a pan. Basically ये हमारे बटर को जलने से बचाता है. That's why I'm doing it. Now you're gonna add some butter. As per your taste, I'm taking a little lighter side, but you can take as per your taste. So now add some tomato puree and add all our essential masalas like salt, chili, some turmeric as per your taste. I'm taking half teaspoon of everything. Then this is very important ingredient. This is kasoori methi. Just crush it and just put it in your gravy, and then give it a good stir and let it simmer for like 5 to 10 minutes. Put it on a low flame. So after this, add some pav bhaji masala. This one I'm using the MDH. Just look at it. Look at the color. It's given like the perfect color to my gravy. Again, just put it for 5 minutes on low flame. Let it simmer, and look at this. This gravy, wow. Now just add all our mashed vegetables in it slowly, and just give it a good stir. And again, we're gonna put it down for another 5 to 10 minutes on low flame. I'm going to mash this gravy a little bit as per your choice, and squeeze some lemon juice. That's it. It's him again. I just cannot control. Anyway, so my gravy is ready to serve. Okay, so I totally forgot to add coriander because I did not have. If you have, please do add it. It's just gonna make the dish so much more yummy. Now to prepare the pav, I'm adding some butter on my heated pan. Also along with it, I'm adding thoda sa bhaji. I'm adding to it just to give that yummy taste to my pav. And I'm taking this pav, I'm gonna cut it into half and just put it over this mix. Flip it over and voila. So come on guys, do give this recipe a try. It's my mother's age-old recipe. It's super easy, super yum. So do give it a try, maybe this coming weekend. And yeah, so have a great weekend ahead. Bye. Okay, so it's all up to you, whatever your mood is. Today I was feeling